Adding a contact form to a page using Elementor. Now first you need to select the page that you need to add the form. You can navigate it by opening up the Pages tab, then select the page and wait for the builder to load up. And once the builder is been loaded up, then you can now then select which section you want to add a form. So in case here we can insert a new inner section, and then you can then add the form itself. So you have the option there to select the form on the Elements tab of the builder. Then once you're done, or once you're happy enough, then you can save it and we can check for the result. So it's been added and we're good to go.